Hello and welcome to the Gentle Jungle with me, Emma, and Nola. Nola's going to help us to warm up. Hi, Nola. Roll your shoulders back. Put your hands on your shoulders and roll the elbows back. And now your arms. Change direction to roll the arms forwards. And then the elbows. And the shoulders. And shake your body. Squeeze your shoulders and relax. Squeeze, relax. Squeeze and relax. And shake it out again. Spread your legs and bend your knees down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Bring your feet together and stretch up tall and touch your feet. Stretch up tall and touch your feet. Stretch up and down. Walking on the spot. Then run and freeze. Run and freeze. Run and freeze. Put your hands on your hips and make big circles. Swing your arms backwards and forwards. Shake out your feet. Fantastic! You will need a partner for this game. One person creates binoculars with their hands and looks around the room until they find something interesting. That person has to describe what they see. Maybe using the colour, shape, what it's used for, but don't give too much away. The person listening has to guess what they're describing. Then you can swap and the person gets a turn to use their binoculars to find something interesting in the room. If you get it wrong, don't worry, keep on guessing. I hope you had fun. Now it's time to move on to some stretches. Come down to a lying position on your belly on the floor. You can rest your head on your hands and take a few deep breaths. Try to relax into the floor and notice which parts of your body the floor is touching. How does the floor feel beneath you? I want you to imagine that you're a snake for this first stretch. Bring your hands onto the floor underneath your shoulders, and as you breathe in, push into your hands to lift your chest off the floor. Only go to where is comfortable. It should never hurt. Breathe out and slowly lower yourself back to the floor. Breathe in and push up through your hands. Breathe out and lower yourself back to the floor. One last time. Breathe in and push up through your hands. Breathe out and lower yourself back to the floor. Rest your head on your hands and take a few deep breaths. Now we'll pretend that we're leopards stretching in the jungle. Come onto your hands and knees, your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips with a flat back. Breathe in and look up, dropping your belly. Breathe out, rounding your back, pulling your belly button in. Breathe in and look up. Breathe out, chin to chest. Maybe you'd like to explore rocking backwards and forwards here to see how that feels. Breathe in and look up, dropping your belly. Breathe out, chin to chest. Once more. Come to a flat back and push your bum back onto your feet. Rest and breathe here. Your arms can be straight out in front of you, or bring your hands to rest under your forehead, whatever is comfortable for you today. When you are ready, you can slowly move to sit up. Now you can come into a kneeling position, or you can sit on your bum if that's more comfortable. Place your hands on your lap, and you can either keep your eyes open or close them. Imagine you are a rock. You can feel the breeze sweeping over you, but you keep completely still because you are a big, strong rock. Nothing can affect you. Nothing can push you over. Nothing can move you. You are resting in your position, breathing in and out slowly, feeling how strong and steady you are. How does it feel to be strong and steady and restful? You could try putting one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly if you want to, or just keep your hands where they are. And now you can open your eyes and get ready for a massage. Nola and I are going to show you how a gentle, fun massage can help you to stay calm and relaxed in the jungle. Would you like me to make shapes on your back today, Nola? We always ask permission before touching someone. Nola has said yes, please. If you don't want anyone touching you right now, that is okay, and you can say no, thank you. You can massage a soft toy instead if you want to. As we are explorers today, maybe you could draw an explorer's map on your partner's back. What would you include? Maybe some trees, river, a place you can build shelter, maybe a pool of water. What animals might you see? Maybe you could use your hands to be a slithering snake, or think of how an alligator swimming smoothly down the river. What else might you see? Talk with your partner about what feels good for you when they draw on your back, and what doesn't. Now you can rest your hands on your partner's back. Thank your partner for your massage today. Now you can swap. Remember to ask first if they would like a massage before you touch them. You can rest your hands on your partner's back. Thank your partner for your massage today. How do you both feel now? Next, we will do some breathing together. You can either stay sitting or come down to the floor and lie on your back. Rest one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. Take a deep breath in, down to your belly, and see if you can make the hand on your belly move up. Then breathe out and notice the hand on your belly move down with your belly. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. In and out. In and out. Rest your hands down by your side and bring your breathing back to normal. If you're lying down, you can sit up now, ready for our rainbow breathing. You can keep your eyes open or close them, whatever feels good for you right now. Think of a rainbow and all its colours. As you breathe in, imagine you are breathing in all the colours of the rainbow. As you breathe out, imagine you are breathing out a rainbow into the room. Breathe in the colours red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Now breathe out your rainbow into the room. Again, breathe in the colours red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. And breathe out your rainbow into the room. Keep going. One last time. Breathe in the colours. Breathe out your rainbow. If your eyes are closed, you can open them now. Can you hear the bell ringing? That means our positive thought for the day has arrived. I wonder what it will be. I am strong. Can you say it with me? I am strong. I am strong. You can get yourself comfortable now, ready for our relaxing jungle story. As you begin to get comfortable, you can choose to close your eyes or softly keep them open. Whatever feels good for you today. Try to be still and imagine that you are in the jungle as the sun goes down to rest for the night and the moon begins to shine brighter and brighter. Lie down on the cool grassy ground and let your body go soft and relax. See if you can keep still as you listen to the jungle animals settle down for the night. Keep your head still. Keep your arms still. Keep your belly still. Keep your legs and toes still. Look up and see the stars dancing in the black night sky. There are no clouds in the sky tonight, just the stars and the big white round moon. It feels so lovely looking up at the stars and the moon. You are comfortable. You are calm. You are peaceful. You hear the jungle animals settling down to sleep. You hear rustling on the ground and in the trees where snakes make their way home, the monkeys getting cozy, and the birds settling down to sleep. Then there is silence. Stay here for a while to enjoy the silence. You feel a soft jungle breeze sweep over your body. You take a deep breath in, breathe out, and you relax even more into the ground beneath you. You realize how peaceful the jungle becomes at night. You smile, remembering the adventures you had today, but you are ready to relax and enjoy the quiet that the jungle brings now. You can come back here to watch the night sky and enjoy the peaceful silence of the jungle whenever you wish. When you are ready, wiggle your fingers and toes, have a big stretch, and open your eyes.